Let's learn construction vehicles. These machines are big and powerful. They dig, lift, carry, and build. Dump truck. A dump truck has a big bed that goes up to dump sand and rocks. It helps build roads and houses. Excavator. An excavator has a bucket for digging. It can scoop dirt and make big holes. Concrete mixer truck. It has a big drum that spins around to mix cement. It brings wet concrete to the construction site. Mining dump truck. It is huge and carries heavy rocks from the mine. Its wheels are taller than people. Front loader. It has a big bucket in the front to lift sand, gravel, or snow. It is very strong. Motor grader. This machine easily levels the ground, making it smooth and flat. It helps build roads. Mobile crane. It has a tall arm that can lift heavy things high in the air. Skid steer loader. It is small and fast, with a bucket in the front. The skid steer carries small loads over short distances. Bulldozer. Big blade in front to push dirt, rocks, or snow. It clears the way. Excavator with a hammer. Instead of a bucket, it has a hammer to break rocks and concrete. Backhoe loader. A backhoe loader can dig holes and quickly load dump trucks with its big bucket. Tower crane. It is very tall and lifts heavy things high on buildings. This is a trencher. It digs long, narrow holes in the ground for pipes and cables. Bucket wheel excavator. It It is giant and has a big wheel with buckets to dig tons of dirt. Logging truck. Logging truck carries big logs from the forest to the mill. Drilling rig. It drills deep holes in the ground for water, oil, or gas. Scraper. It scrapes up dirt and moves it to another place. Asphalt paver. It lays fresh asphalt smoothly on the road. Road roller. It is heavy and rolls on the ground to make it flat. Road milling machine. It cuts and removes old asphalt so new roads can be built.